Hi, we're planning to renovate the Mead building with sustainable design and build Hope Desk. My name is Ammar Kazi. I'm a junior economics major.
I'm Katherine Yan. I'm a senior in chemical engineering and I teach a STEM program for Saturday tutoring.
Elwin, I'm a freshman majoring in biomedical engineering.
And I'm Jane Day, working on a PhD in designing sustainable solutions and do work in self-reliance with impoverished communities.
So in order to determine what path we go on, we explored, what would make the most impact and would be sustainable long term, keeping in mind our surrounding environment. And we saw with the few schools neighboring our environment and the building, it would be feasible to use high school graduation rates as one of our main KPIs and um, impact the education space.
So our solution to the problem was to create Hope Desk, which is a venue where people can attend or give workshops on educational topics such as financial literacy, computer science, and applying for college. And the ultimate goal is to use these additional resources to contribute to creating long-term generational wealth for the community. And to state again, we'll be renovating the Mead building in style of sustainable design and selling the other building.
This solution is custom designed collectively, bringing in the input from the community as part of the design. And it's appropriate for them because the members have really experienced significant hardship, even impoverishment. And the members of this community also possess tremendous strengths and assets individually and collectively. They need the opportunity to identify and further activate these strengths and build confidence and momentum in their lives. Through education and providing a process for them to empower themselves, they will design lives of meaning and purpose for themselves and experience co-elevation in their community as they show up for themselves and for each other.
Our assets, our program has a couple of assets and gaps to consider. We have the communal space, which along with nonprofit resources would help connect the community to empower individuals and as a group using the resource provided. Most importantly, this program will help the community learn and prosper as a whole. Some gaps to consider is that we do not have, we need to find options for funding for this project to update the building, which considered as education grants, as well as who would be our key partners, as well as reaching out to local companies for sponsorships.
Yeah, so future steps. We plan to reach out to Cleveland celebrity education advocates and have them give a talk on opening day. We plan to source volunteers from local universities. I know all of us would be big proponents and advocates of this program, and we love to volunteer here. And we plan to, promote our ongoing success stories and host events promoting the school and its resources to the surrounding area. Thank you.